Behold, a $3 million masterpiece of Swedish engineering defeated by a small lump of asphalt on its way to get a latte. Owning a hypercar is the ultimate dream, right? Wrong. It's a nonstop anxiety-fueled nightmare. Your new emesis isn't some supervillain, it's slightly uneven pavement. Every driveway becomes a cliff, every speed bump, Mount Everest. You're not driving a car, you're piloting a land-based spacecraft with the ground clearance of a skateboard. And forget a simple oil change. You schedule a hyper-technical fluid replacement that costs more than a brand new Toyota Corolla. Then there's the constant panic. You're not a driver. You're the curator of a fragile, priceless museum exhibit that you have to park next to people who open their doors with their feet. Hypercars are incredible automotive art, but for the real world, they're the ultimate toy you can never truly play with.